Alright, it's video time. To the right of me is Mark Pollock's fresh built 204R, which I built the end of last year, probably November or so. Since that time, I've purchased a vacuum tester over there up on the left of the screen to vacuum test the pressure regulator valves on these 204R pumps, and I haven't really found any of them that have been really acceptable. Since then, I've tooled up and bought valves and everything I need to do, and every pump that I've done since then has been reamed oversized valves, and the results on the pressure gauge or the vacuum gauge have been excellent. So Mark's unit's not in the car yet. There's no reason not to put it together like it is when we have a chance to make it better. Just another example of showing that I do try and do the absolute best I can do. So here we are. We have the pump apart. If you look down, you see it's pulling about 1 inch of vacuum. I don't know if you can hear it hissing because the AC machine's running in the background, but you want to watch this needle back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little mighty vac thing, and I'm going to plug the port in the pressure regulator valve, which is right there. That little port, I'm going to plug it, and that's going to do our vacuum check. Spec, according to Sonax, is 18 inches. I know it would be higher than that. There we go. Okay, so we're about a solid 15. So per Sonax specs, it's about 3 to 4 inches of vacuum out of spec. So we're going to ream it, and then we're going to come back and retest it. And we're going to try and show a little reaming. Put some cotton oil on it. This little bit sits right in there as a guide. Get my arm out of the way. That's it. Blow a few chips out of it, then we're going to take it apart. Alright, I'm going to put our new oversized valve in there. The same as the other valve, it's just oversized. Make sure that bleed hole faces up so I can get to it. Okay. It's already making vacuum. $23.5. 23. Yeah, 23 and a half. Significant improvement. That'll help our line pressure when it's hot. Because when it expands, everything's going to open up. Got a steel valve and an aluminum body. So there we go. Confident that's going to be a nice pump.